Good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all, I am getting my hair retied today and I'm super excited about it because who doesn't want their hair done? Okay, so if you want to see how it goes, keep watching.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
And I'm gonna let you know what I've been using on my hair, which is the aloe vera gel and coconut oil and 100% Jamaican castor oil. I picked this up from my hair store. I picked this up from Walmart and this too from Walmart. And I just combine it all in this little spray bottle and I use bottled water and that's all. That's what I put on my hair. So I've been noticing like up in here, let me see if I can get this camera to focus in on that. Right there, camera, right there. Yeah. So if you can see this is like some dry areas that I have been experiencing. And I believe it's because I have not been oiling my scalp. I just wasn't sure if I should be, but guess what? This is telling me I should. After today, once I get my retie, I'm going to get some plaits in my hair and I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, which is probably backwards because I should have washed it before I got my retie so everything's all fresh and new, but I might wash it. I don't know. I might. Needless to say, I am going to put some oil on my scalp. Okay, so there's that. Now let's get into just looking at my actual growth. This is what I have so far. I will let you know how many interlocks we actually end up doing, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, by the amount of growth that we have. That is this side. I hope I'm still in the camera because I can't see y'all. Ooh, child, I got stuff falling out of here. And I did find one little gray hair, like right here in the front, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see her, but it's one little gray hair. I guess this was a wise decision. I will be back once I get one portion of my hair retied to give you an update, show you what it looks like and how we're doing. All right. So this is the update right now. We are about this much done.
Turn it right down, yeah.
Okay. And as you can see, it's working out. I'm happy. I'm excited. Okay. And we found 2 locks on this side that we're trying to join together. And we have been going back and kind of just tighten them down further so that there's like no holes in between any of the locks. So we're just making sure everything is secure. She did find some that were already locking up. So hey, that 4C hair is doing its thing, baby. Yes. And I got a lot of dry scalp. Like I told y'all on this side, I tried to show y'all in the beginning. But growing dandruff, I'm sorry. Growing dandruff, okay, baby. And we gon', yeah, it's all been scratched up and scraped up. And I had like a little, like 3/4 of an inch in growth so far. So we've been doing approximately maybe 2 to 3 interlocking.
Well,
is it 2 to 3?
So,
time out.
I'm sorry.
She gonna talk and I'm gonna turn around and show y'all my hair. Come on, bring it in, really in. All right.
Okay, so like just on here. So I'm just showing you that. So on these, like here, so what I would do, I would start from here and just pull down all the way down to the end, to the tip of here. So when I do that, it takes it to like 1 inch and maybe a 1/2 inch of growth, and that would be like three interlocking sets. So 3 sets of 4. Without that, is normally 2 or 1, depending on how thick the hair is in that particular section.
Okay.
Square, same size, but the hair texture is thicker in certain areas.
And we started at 1 something, and right now it is about 727. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, it's 727. If y'all That's the time. Okay. So we will keep rocking. All right, y'all. I'm trying to be very quiet because my husband is asleep and it's late. We've gotten to this much of the hair. I'll turn around so you can see the back. Okay, so that's how much we've gotten done so far, but we called it quits for tonight. We'll have to pick up tomorrow. I'll be back with hopefully my finished look tomorrow. I am gonna wash my hair, so that's why you see it in the plaits. That's just to differentiate what we've completed versus what we haven't completed. And she left me enough space so that I can get under the braids. So once we complete all the retightening tomorrow, I will go ahead and wash it for the second time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. All right, y'all, this is the next day because I just had no more energy in me last night, and what I filmed last night just did not cover everything that I wanted to cover. So I'm gonna cover that now. First, I want to let you know that it took a total of 17 hours over 2 days to do my retwist, and that was because, as you saw previously in the video, my sister was making sure that anything that was soft towards between the last knot and anything in between that, it was pulled down so that I wouldn't have any space in between those on each of my locks. So basically like going over each lock and doing that pretty time intensive. And then also, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I did have a lot of growing dandruff, but it felt so good when she just like scratched everything up. If you know, you know, okay? You know. I did end up washing my hair, but I did not band it because we didn't have any rubber bands. But I really think that by her scratching everything off of my scalp and me washing it and the way she had it plaited in those small plaits, I had no problems with my hair untying or loosening or slipping. And plus I do have the 4-point method, so probably less slippage than just doing the 2-strand twist. She did add a light coat of grease to my scalp and a light coat of oil on top of that. Hopefully that will help with the itching. We don't know. I do sleep with a scarf on and a satin pillowcase, just in case you were wondering. None of my locks were permanently joint, so I still have the same amount of locks as I did when I started this 4 weeks ago. Good stuff. I did notice that my hair curled up, it frizzed, and it shrunk, okay? But it was so cute. To me, it looked like a defined kind of twist out that just stayed there like consistently. I mean, if you know my hair, if you have 4C hair, baby, that don't happen, okay? That don't happen. My hair was very itchy, okay? And I scratched it like crazy, but hopefully with the way my sister scratched up all of the dry dandruff that was on my scalp and the wash, hopefully that helped. But if you guys could recommend anything to me to help with that itching, please let me know down in the comments, because your girl is new to this, okay? Also, what do you guys use for moisture, like to retain moisture in your locks? Because I was thinking about getting an actual steamer so that after I did wash my hair and maybe grease, I don't know if I'm supposed to grease my scalp first and then use the steamer or steam. I really don't know how to use the steamer just yet, but I thought about, hey, why not get a steamer to add some moisture back into my hair? So if you guys use that, or if you know about it, let me know down in the comments what you think, or if you tried that before. Overall, I am overly happy with my decision to get my hair micro-locked. I'm a person that loves to change my hairstyles a lot. However, I do feel with micro-locks right now in the phase and stage in which I am in, it will not hinder me from being able to wear wigs. Before this video, I was wearing wigs and I was ready to take them off and just let my hair be free. So we'll see how that goes. If you have any questions of me, or if you can leave me any tips down in the comments to help me along this micro-lock journey, I would definitely appreciate it. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to my channel, okay? And don't forget to come on back now you're here. Happy soon to be 4th of July to everyone. I hope that you will enjoy it and have a safe holiday. That's all I got. Y'all come on back now you're here. Bye.